Hey everyone, it is Mom of 4 Nicole, and I'm coming to you with a Birchbox unboxing. So a lot of the times when I shoot these videos I do peek, but I thought I wouldn't this video. And if you guys been with me for a while, or watching me for a while, this used to be my old recording area. So it's our den, and I put those little blocks there because of Frankie, so he don't get the blinds. But I just thought oh, look at this box. I thought I'd do like a first impressions as well. That's really cute. Alrighty. Now that fall is around the corner, we're jumping into multitasking mode. Blah, 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 blah. Alright. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. What is it? Or 7. What the heck? I got 7? Okay. Totally edible. What is this? Made with raspberries, Sicilian orange, lemon drop, and vanilla. This, oh, it's a perfume. This scent is almost good enough to eat. Full size is $70. Oh, it's a roll-on. Ooh. Hello. Oh, you ain't kidding. This stuff smells awesome. Hello. Okay. Davins? What the heck? Shampoo for dry. Is it this? What the heck? This stuff is weird. Sorry, guys. Maybe I should have looked at it before. Momo shampoo for dry and dehydrated hair. Full size is $26. Bonus. Oh, that's why I got so many. We added the conditioner. Oh. Awesome. Which you guys know this won't do nothing to my hair. The conditioner. Can I smell it? It smells good. So I got this shampoo. It looks like, oh no, it doesn't look too watery. Let's see. Made in Italy. Well, hello. They must have known I was Italian. Oh, God. This perfume smells so good. Never heard of this brand. Definitely excited to use it. And then they gave me a bonus, a conditioner. So I will have to let you guys know. This is fun. Oh, my goodness. This is probably the best one I've gotten. Okay. Derma. I've heard of, or Derme. Not Derma. Derme? Guess this feels, full size is $32.50. Microdermabrasion scrub. This dead sea salt scrub mimics the effect of microdermabrasion for clear, radiant skin in under 3 minutes. So I have heard of this brand. I'm currently using the eye cream from one of my boxes. There's not a whole lot in here, as you can. So they wasted plastic because there's literally, you guys see it all on the side. But definitely excited. This is a good brand. It's cruelty free. It's all natural, so apply to wet skin. Okay. Okay, okay. Alright. Next thing, wow, the stuff they sent me, the full sizes are so expensive. And watch me like them all. Milk makeup. I think this was the one I picked. You know, where you can pick your sample. Mascara. You guys know that's my favorite makeup is mascara. I have a ton of all these little samples. Oh. And I definitely wanted to try this out. So, I always just thought it was so cool that it's in like a little, the packaging anyways. Never tried it. Definitely will let you guys know. I have so many to go through. I don't know if you guys will see this and it empties for a while. Comment below and let me know if this stuff is awesome. How much was that full size? $24. Wow. Okay, the next thing is the Body Shop. Nutriganics Drops of Youth. Full size is $38. Dang. The high-tech concentrate uses plant stem cells to boost skin cell renewal for smoother, refresher, and younger looking skin. So what do I do with this? I'm not sure what I do with this. Y'all let me know. You guys tell me what I do with stuff before I know what. Okay, so it's a dropper. It smells like earthy, which I like that smell. And what do I do with it, y'all? Do I put it on my face? Like, obviously, if it's for youth. I'm not sure. Comment below, please. And last but not least, which is the one sample I'm not fond about. Full size, $42 to $65. Oh, hell no. For body cream and body wash? Who in the hell would pay $65 for body wash? We've added this body wash and lotion featuring the brand's signature, I don't even know how to say it, to nourish your skin from head to toe, using a unique blend of oils. I don't know this brand, but for $42 to $65, does it have like gold in it? Maybe diamonds? I don't know. What the freak? That's it, guys. There is a little thing where you can enter to win. I'll have to read that later. That is my Birchbox. Definitely excited. All this stuff is new stuff besides this brand that I have never heard of. A lot of the stuff's made in Italy. Like, this box rocks. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Definitely thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.